Alright, what's up, y'all? So we're hopping on ES right now. Literally just woke up at like 6 o'clock. It's 6:30 right now. And got an hour and a half of sleep because we were trading London session last night with George. If you can see my screen, we hit a winning trade. It's actually a perfect setup. Um, but yeah, I went to bed at literally like 3:30, I think. But now we're back on ES for the New York session. Got everything marked out: London high, London low, Asian high, 4 hour fair value gap, the midway point of it. 4 hour high, 4 hour high, and then like way up here, I think there's more stuff. Oh wait, never mind. No, there's not. I lied. So, yeah, 4 hour low down here. So just looking to manipulate one of these. Um, I texted my mom a voice memo this morning, 3 minutes ago. Asked her if I could skip school if I made a winning trade. So gotta lock in. All right, market's open. There's looking sharp today. Literally a half day at school, and we're going over like cap and gown stuff. It's useless, I think. But hopefully she says yes, and hopefully we make a winning trade. If not, I'm gonna be late. Man, let's open up this journal. Even journal and in session trades. It is the 14th. October 14th, 2025. New York. I I entered long about, what was it? I think it was this move up right here. Yeah, yeah. It was this move from this candlestick. It's only a 15, 20-minute trade. But yeah, we got to break a structure. So this we manipulated our previous Asian high or Asian low. Sorry. Got to break a structure right at 4:30, which my time is 1:30 in the morning. So we got to break. We got to retest into this big order block, and then we got a 1 minute break out of it. My stop loss was like below. I think it's, yeah, 8.25 points below our entry. So just a little bit below our retest low, and our target was actually the stacked highs right here, and it literally hit perfectly. is a beautiful trade. I stopped recording that one because I thought I wasn't going to make any trades. I kept seeing consolidation, like right here. I saw this consolidation in Asian session. I saw this, thought we were going to get a break structure, thought we were going to get a break, thought we were going to get a break, and I was like, all right, 130, I'm out of here. And literally at 130, well, 430, we got our break that we needed. Alright, I'm gonna go fix my hair. Oh. Alright, y'all. We were looking a little better. Looking chopped. I think George is asleep, bro. Dude, chair. Hitting my rug. Alright, I think we're gonna be entering longs here today. I think we're gonna manipulate this London low, get a perfect rejection off of it. Enter long, hit London high or Asian high. One of the two. Honestly, I could probably delete this 4 hours for value gap. It's right on the Asian high. We actually manipulated that 4 hour for value gap. And got a reversal. What that whole leg down is that manipulation of that 4 hour fair value gap. Like all the way over here. But just thought I'd explain that to you guys. Now, hopefully we don't have to wait for it to manipulate this 4 hour low. That'd be a long time. Come on, bro. What the hell? Shoved. Here. That's fine. We kind of get a rejection of this London low. Just still like one tick before we actually hit it. So I think we're actually gonna hit it. I mean, We have time to wait. Which arc playlist? Alright, bro, come on. Bro. We really running off of an hour and a half of sleep right now. Looking chopped, looking pale, looking like a bum. I'm not even in my school clothes yet. No, I'm already in my school clothes. This will be if this were mine. Well, that blah 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 blah. Kendrick Lamar, something like that. I don't know, but this we could use this as a change in order flow as an inverse for value gap. But like I said, we're gonna have to manipulate this London low before we do anything. Yeah. M pattern. Yeah, market makers just took out all these London low sellers and people that bought right here. They got stopped out. They just filled all those sell orders. There's an imbalance right here and an imbalance right here. I mean, really, there's an imbalance in this whole thing. Could, could totally manipulate this 4 hour low. I mean, again, just high time frame liquidity. That's like a no. Oh, yeah, it's just one big imbalance. I need to go on the sun. I'm pale. Gonna get another imbalance right here. I mean, damn, we didn't even manipulate any of these. We manipulated London High. I mean, that's these two stacked highs. We manipulated that. So, I mean, they did. They're the same thing, so they're equal highs right here. But that's what caused this huge downtrend. But we're looking. I think we filled all the orders we needed to, and we're gonna get this reversal. That's what we're hoping for, at least. Ooh. So cold. Dude, it's so I'm tired. But I know if I skip school, my dad won't let me sleep. He won't let me lay down. Going hoodie on. It's cold. Too cold and easy. exact fair value gaps. But like I said, this is literally just one big imbalance. But if this one gets respected, we delete this one. But our breakage structure, we get a red candle out of this. Our breakage structure would be right here. My eyes are starting to shut. I asked my mom if I made a winning trade, if I could stay home, but she hasn't responded. I sent her a snap. I sent my mom a snap. Mom, if I make a winning trade, can I skip school? I don't know if you heard me last night making ruckus. I made $520.
Last night?
Yeah, like 4 a.m. Well, this morning. I was on London session.
I heard you talking, but I was putting him to bed and praying. Like, okay, I went to bed. Are you up overall? Like, if you had to quit now and take profit, would you be?
Well, I can't because it's still an evaluation, but I'm up $109 from the start of the evaluation.
Might have to teach me because if the government takes my men, I won't be able to do anything.
Exactly.
Wow. All right, I'll see ya.
All right, love ya. My dad really just told me gotta teach him how to day trade. That's wild. But it looks like we're rejecting this fair value gap a little bit. But like I said, the whole thing is an imbalance in price action. So there's a lack of buy orders all within here, and we're filling those. But if we disrespect this whole thing, which I'm guessing we are going to because we filled all these orders, and now price is likely going to manipulate or change order flow for the break structure or inverse fair value gap. But if we entered long, like right here, even with our stop 10 points below or something, still, I mean, even to the London highs at 2.2. So it is rejecting this top fair value gap. To this point. Delete that bottom one. Yeah, now I'm looking. Yeah, here we go. This is gonna be a bearish day. Bullish. My bad. Too early for this. Honestly, just gonna keep everything one color. One color. 'Cause this is gonna be our 5-minute. Oops. IFPG. Inverse fair value gap. It's right here. Change the text font to this. On this. Good brother, hold on, brother. It's gonna be a 5-minute fair value gap. Yeah, look at that, dude. This is gonna be a perfect setup again. 3 winning trades in a row. I mean, if we're entering off of it. Okay. This is my AirPods. Don't worry about it. If we enter off of this with our stop, I mean, even 5 points below, we can make a good trade off of this. But guys, just think about it. I won't have to go to school. And then I'll just get filled in with you guys or by you guys on what to do. I'm really hoping for this 5-minute inverse fair value gap. That'd be embarrassing. I need to figure out my tech stuff, bro. This is I might just keep everything like purple or something. Too dark. mean, there's no more imbalances right here. So from this retracement, this one already got closed above, this one got closed above. Yeah, now we're going to scale down to 1 minute. Look for retracement into our fair value gap. Guys, it's so simple. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, it's insane. Trying to convince my friends that I shouldn't go to school today. I want to see if this break and retest will work this morning. Most definitely not. Well, I mean, we're about to see, but maybe. On a 5 minute, got another minute and a half about. Might create another imbalance. Black sell orders that need to be filled. Turn this fan off. It's freezing here. Come on, Brody. Lee. We're even gonna get a break of structure too. So we get a break of structure here. Breaker block. So we're literally just looking to see a retracement into any of these zones, which is very high probability. And then we're looking for a break out of it, and we're gonna enter. I mean, even a break like right here. So we've re-entered the breaker block. I'd like it to get down to this fair value gap so we have more buy room. Or honestly just might even target just higher. We had a 1 minute imbalance too, so that's something. That retraced and filled those orders. Got no like 4 hour or 1 hour highs in between that one. And we've got one right here. We could target. I mean, yeah, that's probably our best bet, I'll be honest. Gosh, I just don't know. I wanted to retest back into this fair value gap. That's ideal. Because we do get, on this 5 minute breaker structure, we get a breaker block with it, which is good. I mean, we could create another 5 minute fair value gap. It just depends. But I'd rather have these orders filled down here. Gives me more room to have a higher risk reward. Actually, might change order flow in the 1 minute, which is crazy. Oh, 5 minute. Get rid of this breaker block. Maybe I don't get rid of the breaker block. Keep it there just in case. And we're going to be entering right here. Dude, I just needed to retrace back down further. Would be ideal. Or even this 5-minute fair value gap that we just created. It's tiny, but very tiny. I mean, come on, bro. I mean, technically we're in a downtrend. On 1 minute. Just gonna wait this out. I'm just gonna. Okay, good. That was right before that leg up. I'm just gonna go. I might go a quick like 1-to-1. Or yeah, 1.28. Not too bad. That's not like a terrible risk reward. And also we're waiting for break above or below, which we should get within a few seconds. Okay, we get our break structure right there. One-minute break. Up 130 right now. I don't know where George is. I think he fell asleep, even though he reposted my story like an hour ago. Hour ago. So I missed out this whole leg up. Probably could have entered off of this retracement. At that point, we hadn't. Well, it is what it is. Still think we're gonna manipulate London high. Don't have a break even here. What low was that we manipulated? London low. Now what's going on? It'd be crazy if we went up 5 per 1K. I did the calculations. The fastest funded account on time, I only need like 250 a day. If I get 1K today, that'd be fire, bro. And there's our 250 for the day, plus our 520 from earlier this morning. I don't know what it's rejecting. I don't know, but I'm just gonna wait this out. Time do we get that 5-minute break? 10 o'clock. What time is it? 7:17 already? Yeah. Well, we're about to hit take profit, bro. In like 2 minutes. Where'd retrace? Back to this breaker block. Retrace. Back into 5-minute breaker block. At what time? 10:05. Where's our 1-minute break? 10:13. 1-minute break. Out of breaker block. I'm gonna say 10:13. Ugh. Our plus 250 right now. 260. 25. Literally just quick, simple money right here. Let's just fill this order quick, please, and thank you. Bang, perfect. Literally 10:13 to 10:20, 7 minutes. And look at that. And it's rejecting the London high. Dude, this week I've picked out my key levels so well. I don't know, like my targets so well. Look at that rejection. Just that wick. I mean, maybe we can catch a short even. No, I'm not. No reason to enter again. Complete this 5 minutes. I mean, yeah, that's a easy trade. Target hit at 10:20. P&L plus what did we make on there? Trades. 512. 512.50. Total P&L was 1,031. Let's check here. Yeah, we're getting a nice rejection. I mean, I could enter short, honestly. Off of like a, nah, not worth. Not worth at all. I mean, it could be worth it, but I'm up 1K on the day. Alright, so what did I learn? Learned that down here, like with those 5 minute fair value gaps, I could have entered when I saw that first inverse fair value gap. Inverse fair value gaps. Serve great changes to order flow. Well, thank you guys for watching. That was a very simple 7 minute trade. Nothing crazy about it. Hopefully you guys learned something. Patience pays off. I don't know, but now hopefully you guys learned something. Thanks for watching. Go check out my liquidity explained. That's how I pick out these key levels. How journaling helps. And pretty soon I'm gonna be coming out with break of structure, and fair value gap videos explaining those and how I use them. So go check those out. Thank you.